Has a Vestis driver promised to give you credit for something, for some deficiency, or that you didn't get the merchandise or the services you called for? Well, guess what? What I'm understanding, what I'm hearing from my sources, what I've been informed of is that Vestis, the driver for Vestis, has no field authority to give you a credit. He actually has to go back to the office and he has to get the company or the manager to give them the okay. And even if the manager says it's okay, what I'm hearing, what I've been informed of, is that they have to go and talk to their general manager and still get approval from him. Now, in even cases, sometimes they're saying, yeah, it never hit the invoice. I never got the credit. And why is that? If the driver promised, the manager promised, and the general manager promised, why aren't you getting your credit? They're issuing bonuses like crazy to keep all of the business that they're losing. They don't want to issue those credits. They don't want to hit their whatever, their financials. And so they got to get their bonus, and that's what they want. So how do you prevent this? Well, you got to get copies of that. Get something in writing. Get something of evidence. Like, for instance, this is something I got from a customer. This is an $8,600 credit that I got for one of my customers. Get them to put it in writing. That comes on the form of an Excel spreadsheet, will be emailed to you. Another one will come up on your statement. It's a credit memo, and it looks something like this. And then here's another one. This one actually showed up on the invoice. This was a credit for $500 for laundry bags, excess overcharging for months and months and months on laundry bags. But you got to get it in writing, and if you don't get it in writing, you must assume that it didn't happen or it will not happen. And this is a breach of contract item. If Vestis doesn't give you something in writing, you never received it, that's a breach of contract. You should send them a breach of contract certified letter, notification that you're going to cancel the services if they don't fix or remedy that deficiency. So like, subscribe, go ahead and share it with some of your business owners. That's who I help, the business owners. You want a free consultation? Go ahead and send me a copy of your contract. Send me a copy of your invoice. I'll take a look at it. We'll talk, and then we'll see how we can help. Maybe it's something simple, and I can just give you 5 minutes of advice, and that'll fix your problem. So anyways, guys, you having a problem with Vestis, give me a call. I can help. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.